Hi everyone! In this video, I will walk you through how to install and start using WaSend, our WhatsApp marketing app. It is very quick and very simple, so let's get started. First, open the Install link or search for WaSend on the Shopify App Store. Click Install. Then click Install again. Great! WaSend is now added to your store. Step 1. Connect your WhatsApp account. Before you can send any WhatsApp messages, you need to connect your WhatsApp business account. On the welcome screen, click Connect. A Facebook window will appear. If you are not logged in, click Login and sign in to your Facebook account. If you are already logged in, click Continue. Now choose your business assets. Select your business portfolio. Select your WhatsApp business account. Click Next. Then, choose the phone number you want to use. You can select an existing number or add a new one. Click Next. You will now see a summary of what you are sharing with WaSend. Click Confirm. Then, click Finish. Your WhatsApp connection is now ready. Step 2. Add a payment method on Meta. Next, you'll need to add a payment method to Meta for the messages you send. All WhatsApp message fees are paid directly to Meta, not to us. You can add a payment method now and click Next, or click Skip and set it up later. Step 3. Add the phone number field to your checkout. To send WhatsApp messages, you must collect your customers' phone numbers. Click Go to Checkout Settings. Scroll down to the section Shipping Address Phone Number. Change it to Optional or Required. And you are done. Step 4. Submit your first message template. Before sending automated messages, Meta requires you to submit your message templates for approval. You can choose one of our pre-made templates and click Submit, or click Skip if you want to create or edit templates later. Send broadcast messages. Now, let's create a broadcast. A broadcast is a one-time message that you send to a selected group of customers. This is perfect for promotions, sales announcements, new arrivals, or seasonal campaigns. Go to the Broadcast menu and click Create Broadcast. Give your broadcast a name. For example, Winter Collection. Add a description or tags if you want. Click Next. Now choose your audience. You can select all customers, or choose customers matching specific conditions. For example, I only want to send this announcement to customers who have spent more than $1,000 in my store. Click Add Customer Condition. Choose Total Spent. Choose Greater Than, type 1,000. Look at the recipient count. Here you can see there are 3 customers matching these conditions. If everything looks correct, click Next. Now, set up the content. Choose from your approved templates. For example, I will select my new collection announcement template. Now, fill in the variables inside the placeholders. For example, Just Dropped, our new Placeholder 1 collection. I will fill Placeholder 1 with Winter, so it becomes Just Dropped, our new Winter collection. Next, Hi, Placeholder 2. Click Add Variables. Choose First Name. Add a fallback value, for example, Valued Customer. Then, discover the latest trends with Winter Collection. When the content is ready, click Next. Now, review everything. If all looks good, you can send now or schedule your broadcast. I will choose Schedule. Set the time to December 17, 2025 at 7 p.m. Click Schedule. Go back to the Broadcast Management page and open the campaign you just created. Once messages are delivered, your broadcast statistics will appear here. Set up automations. Now, let's set up automations. Automations send messages automatically whenever certain triggers happen, like new orders, abandoned checkouts, birthdays, and more. Go to the Automations menu. You can choose a pre-built template or create from scratch. First, let's create one from a template. Click Create from Template. Choose Order Confirmation and Thank You. Click Use Flow. The flow editor opens with the trigger Order Created. Click the trigger if you want to check details. Looks good. Now click the Send WhatsApp Message step. Fill in the variables and placeholders just like we did earlier. Turn on the flow. Now the flow is live. Whenever a customer places an order, they will receive your WhatsApp order confirmation. Pretty cool. Now let's create a flow from scratch. Click Create Workflow. Click Create from Scratch. For this example, I will send a reminder to customers who abandon checkout. Choose the trigger Customer Behavior. Select Checkout Abandoned. Add a time delay. Set it to 10 minutes. Click Apply. Now drag a true-false branch into the flow. For example, I want to send different messages depending on whether this is their first order or not. Click Customer Conditions. Choose Condition is First Order. You can add more conditions if needed. Click Apply. Now decide what to send in the true branch and the false branch. Add a WhatsApp message to each branch. Choose the template and set up your content the same way as before. Give your workflow a name. Click Save. Turn on the flow. That's all for today. We hope this helps you get started with WaSend quickly and easily. If you need any help, our team is always here for you. WaSend, WhatsApp marketing made simple. Start free today.